put the Little Mermaid stuck in my head. Anyway, before we begin, I want to apologise for the sound once again. I know it's a common theme on this channel. I don't know where my microphone is. I don't know where the pluggy in a bit thing is for my actual phone. This is gonna have to do, I'm afraid, until I can find it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. As you can probably tell, I have moved down south. Not that you can tell from the background that I've moved down south, but I have moved down south. You can probably tell from the background that I have moved. To which the place I have moved is down south, practically. I have been very MIA trying to sort this out. I've been working a bunch. I've had zero motivation. Basically been working, gaming and getting minimal sleep. So my little hiatus is over. I am ready to fully throw myself into this. I have 2 weeks of unemployment. Hopefully, I have a very promising interview in 2 weeks. So with these 2 weeks, I am gonna throw myself back into YouTube, get this channel up and running again. Exciting. I've moved in with my boyfriend. He is fully supportive of the YouTube thing. He's very helpful with it all, making sure I don't lose my motivation. But yeah, let's just get straight into it because it is about 12 o'clock and I wanted to start this video before then, but I just haven't. This box right here, my do's, dudettes, theyettes. This box right here is my yarn. Unfortunately, this place, we can't hang anything from the walls. So as you know, in the last space I had all of my favourite yarn like hanging on a like hammock thing. Can't do that in this one, so I'm gonna have to put all of my yarn on the 3-tier trolley that I have. That's not gonna happen, so I need to prioritise my yarn, and the stuff that doesn't fit in the 3-tier trolley is going in that little cupboard right there or underneath the bed, depending. Currently my trolley is filled with little trinkets, mainly my Hironos, which I still need to put up. I'll show you all my little space in a second. So everything's pretty much out, apart from my figures. So I need to put all those out and then, they're in a box, so I'll just move those to the side for now and prioritise the yarn. I'm thinking of doing it in colours and then maybe possibly materials, but I think it'd just look a lot better if I did it by colour. But yeah, that is what this video is going to be. If that is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. But without further ado, let's get into it, my darlings. So excited. No looking at my feet or stealing my feet from my content unless I get a slither of the pay. Thank you. Okay, this angle's kind of weird. It looks like the beginning of a video that would not be allowed on YouTube. However, it's as good as it's gonna get. This is kind of sort of my box of yarn. Ignore that. Don't ignore this though, this is really good. So this is my box of yarn. I'm pretty sure this is it, which to be fair, I think is quite good. Yeah, there's some projects in here like these, like that's my little top that I made that I never ended up weaving in the end, so it never ended up coming on holiday with me after all that. Genuinely stop looking at my dog. But I'm gonna keep her out. However, this one I absolutely love and I would love to remake one of these. This is going to be one of my autumn/winter projects, but there's like 3 different types of cream/white yarn on this, so it doesn't look right. But I love it anyway, so off to the cupboard with ye. This is... Why did my voice shake? This is a thing. Yeah. Didn't go to my vision, and I've tried unpicking it, and I have zero patience to unpick this yarn, but I need to, so I'm going to keep that out. I'm basically going to unpick it and then use my knitting machine. I want to run it through that and see if it's any better. I just want like a stripy multicoloured jumper, basically. But the crochet made it too chunky, so that's the card for one of my Nyotas. That is my blocking board for the grannysquare, so I need to keep that out. The things should be the things there. So I need to keep that out. Knitting needle, random blind box plushie, and then everything else, I think, everything else is actual yarn. That's a beanie. That can go in the cupboard. But for now, the cupboard with ye. I just threw random things in here when it got to the end of packing, as you can probably tell. Tape measure. Right, I'm gonna clear my trolley and then we'll start putting these into piles of colours. I will see you in a jiffy. By the way, I now live a 15-minute walk away from a Sostrum Gran. Yeah. I know that I don't have many black yarns or white yarns, so I'm going to do black, white and grey all together. I'm going to do all the browns together, all the pinks and purples, all the greens, all the blues, all the reds. What other colours are there? I think I have like, and then I'll just do like a pile of random ones, because like I know I like have like a ball of bright orange, multicoloured ones, sparkly ones, like, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do, and then we'll go through each one and choose my favourite ones and then put them all stacked here. Right, I don't know whether to speed this bit up, maybe, but I'll just show and then I'll pile. Show, pile. This one I'm gonna like stop and talk about some. This one I really need to use. This is the one that I bought for like I had like an idea to do like a Luna cardigan, or like a Hermione Luna cardigan. I'm thinking like this as the main colour, and then getting like this colour maybe, and doing a frilly trim. I think that'll look really cute, and then embroidering some, or like weaving in some like flowers and things like that with this one, like maybe some little petals, like surface crocheting those. I think that'd be really cute. So let me know if that's something you want to see, and push me to do it please, because I would wear the absolute out of it. But yeah. Again, this one is going to get added into the Luna jumper. I'm not sure how, but she will be there. I think showing what yarn I have will not only help me decide and like be able to see what yarn I actually have without going through everything, but if there are any projects you guys want to see, if you've seen any patterns using specific colours or specific yarn that you would like to see tested out, then you can let me know, because you'll know which ones I have. And I'm on a yarn ban at the minute. I'm banning myself from buying any more yarn. Unless I really need it for the pattern, but I pretty much have every colour I could possibly need, so I need to use these up before anything else. My issue is the past couple of things that I made, which again was like months ago, were using cotton yarn, and I've spoiled myself using cotton yarn now because I absolutely love it and I prefer it to. And the thing is as well, the colours that I wear I can easily find with cotton yarn, whereas like the bright colours in acrylic you can't really find in cotton, at least not in Soft and Gran. Basically my entire colour palette is Soft and Gran, so also I still feel like I'm saying that wrong. But yeah, so the colour thing isn't an issue with me in regards to cotton yarn, but alas I still need to use the acrylic. This is the bright orange I was on about. It's like I am Brew Fanta orange. But yeah, this is one of my favourite greens that I own. I think doing something with these two would be really cute. Just like maybe like a really thin striped jumper or something on the knitting machine. Love. It's one of the first bandanas I ever made. I just don't think headwear really suits me. Maybe not. This is 1 cup of a bralette I was making. Don't know where the second cup is. This is one of the more unique yarns that I have. I had like a grey and white version, and I made little signets, like little baby swans out of it. She will come in handy one day. This bag is filled with cotton and buttons and cotton and buttons, so I'll keep those to the side. Okay, so I've got more of this. I need to do something with this because I have 5 balls and I don't know what to do with them all. Oh, so the mohair red yarn that I've been showing, this one, I really want to make into like a thin red Christmas jumper, or it's like a jumper to wear in winter. I did a trial, which I think I'm actually going to use, of a sleeve on the knitting machine, and it's literally perfectly what I want, like this. And then I'll do the body in panels and do it quite tight fitted, so it's like a tight fitted jumper with loose sleeves. Yeah, that's the plan for that yarn anyway. This is my scrap yarn ball. I don't know when or if I'm ever going to use this, but I will keep adding to it till it's huge. It just keeps it all out of the way, but I'm not wasting any. the infamous whale bag, which I still need to find out how I did it, so that I can eventually release a pattern on it. But yeah, so many balls of that. You wanna know what I have stuck in my head right now? What's his name? Tekashi 69 and Kanye West. That song. You're such a... I love it. I've really got it stuck in my head. Your boyfriend is a dork. Make loving. Don't even ask. Right. I know I've got all that there. Okay, so the rest of the stuff in that box is gonna be scrap yarn because it's just way too tangled to sort out right now. But I also have like needles and yarn holders and stuff in there. But this is the last bag. This is mainly cotton yarn. I actually think I'm going to keep it as a cotton yarn bag. Boyfriend's holiday shirt finally, and also this is a book cover I started for my sister, which I'd quite like to finish. It's way too big, so I need to get the measurements right and actually start doing swatches, like gauge swatches. But yeah, so I'm basically going to leave all of this in here and have this as a separate cotton yarn bag. And then these are just little mohair bit and bobs. Right, that's in seconds. That only took 20 minutes. Damn, I've been putting that off. Okay, so here's the current situation. Pinks and purples, which I'll divide even more into pinks and purples. Blues, which I didn't realise I had so much blue. Neutrals, which I thought I had a lot more browns. Well, brown and neutrals. Reds, again, didn't realise I had so many reds. Greens, beautiful, mwah, magnifique. Blacks and greys, because I have no white yarn apparently. Miscellaneous, so there's a couple yellow, couple orange, some multicoloured ones. My scrap yarn ball, this weird one that has like tinselling, which quite frankly I will never use, but I don't want to get rid of it, just in case. And then my bag of cotton and the bag of projects I found along the way, either finished or unfinished, and then my little bag of cotton and buttons. Button selling, no, was it button making company? Mr. Morris, the best button business. There we go, the best button business.
What did you do again?
A button company.
Mutton company.
But yeah, I need to figure out what I'm doing with that. I'm gonna get rid of all the, not get rid, but just put all the bright colours in a separate one. My next project I want to make is a striped jumper on the knitting machine. I'm thinking with cotton yarn, and now that I have a sister and gran near me, I can go and buy more, but I'm on a ban. But it doesn't count if it's the same one, right? Like, I can buy the same yarn that I already have. I had like a blue and a cream. I want to do kind of like a nautical thin jumper. But yeah, we'll see. Next step is figuring out which ones I want to go on the trolley and putting them on the trolley. Yes. Yes. Okay, I think I have it sorted how I want it. So there's quite a lot that's going in the cupboard, but I don't want to overfill it with things that I'm not going to use. So on the top are my whimsicals, which green and purple. And then we have a mixture. We have a lot of this. So I need to do something with that soon. We've got the browns at the back as well. I don't know if you can see that. And then we also have these maroon colours, just because I didn't know what to put there, so I'll just put the maroons. On the bottom we have greys and pinks, because those are some projects that I want to work on in the meantime, what I'm going to do with those. And then I've just chucked my cotton at the bottom, because it saves me having this bag hung on here and have it stick out and all that malarkey. So these are all the ones that are going to either go, like I said, they're either going to go in the cupboard or I'm going to put them underneath the bed, depending, because I still have quite a lot of room under the bed, but I don't know if my boyfriend wants to put anything under there. I was going to put the yarn for this there, but I think I'm just going to keep that in a separate bag and keep that under the bed, just because this is going to be for winter Christmas time, so it's not a priority. Of the nautical jumper is very much priority. I really want to make it, and I love this blue. Like, this blue is ideal for what I want, but I don't have, that's the only like cream I have, and it's quite literally just that ball. So I think I'm going to use the cotton yarn, and I'm going to use that blue there with the cream next to it. Don't know if you can see, like that. I think that'd look really cute. I only have one ball each of those, so if I have to go to Sauce and Gran and get some more cotton yarn, then I shall do. But yeah, that's all organised. I will pop it back in its place, put all the other yarn in a bag slash box. I think I'm going to put them in a bag. Okay, perfecto. But yes, that is everything for this video, basically. Like I said, I'm feeling super duper duper inspired now, so I'm going to make a little Pinterest board, get those creative juices flowing, and start editing this video. I'm going to try and pre-record most videos, as in, like, I'm going to try and get a couple in the archive before I start posting again, but these next 2 weeks I'm really going to hammer down on it before I start at work again, hopefully. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, yeah, my, what's it called? Serotonin. My serotonin is through the roof, and I am just giddy, just excited to start again. Yeah, I'm also going to start a new book today. Well, I've just read The Housemaid, so I'm going to read The Housemaid's Secret. I'm going to start that today, I think. But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely little dumplings, and I will see you again soon. I will see you in the next one, and the next one is going to be soon, so I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.